gotta get my feet all down.
You hit me right in the chest.
Come on, we got one on Paul.
Oh, fuck. I'm aiming too high. You got nuts, but wiener. You didn't get no balls. Oh.
He sucked it in too.
I'm like, oh. Oh, dude, not even close. Neither was I.
Oh.
You got the right nut.
That's why mine's hurt right now.
God damn, it's throwing off my actor.
It fucks with the game, don't it? Oh.
That was so close. This out my Jimmy up. What happened to the other ball?
It's awesome.
Oh, dude, that hurt, motherfucker.
Oh, that was